Have you ever wondered whether you should be doing dirty keto or clean keto? Well, this is a battle I've been having with myself for like the last 4 months, so let's talk it out together. Hi friends, and welcome to Keto with Libby. I am Libby, and I am on a journey to health using the ketogenic lifestyle. I'm about 15 months into my keto journey. I've lost about 40 pounds, but I've also learned a heck of a lot more about myself and my mental health, emotional eating, all of the things. So if any of that interests you, please stick around. So the very first thing we have to do is figure out what dirty keto is and what clean keto is. Dirty keto allows in more of the processed and packaged foods, such as the low carb wraps, the breads, the ice creams, basically anything that you can find that has a keto label on it in the middle aisles. Now, a lot of times dirty keto also encompasses processed meats, such as like hot dogs, sausages, lunch meat, and things like that. I don't necessarily see those as being super dirty keto. When I'm doing clean keto, I will still eat those, but just so you know, sometimes those are classified as dirty keto. And clean keto is when you are focusing on just the whole natural foods. You're not eating any of the processed things. You're eating the meat, the vegetables, the eggs, the bacon, all of those kinds of things. All right, let's go through the pros and cons of each. So let's start with the pros of dirty keto. It is super convenient. There are so many products on the market right now that are labeled as keto, and it is so easy to just go grab some keto bread, to go grab some keto ice cream, and have some sense of normalcy to your old lifestyle. I think that is one of the biggest pros for people when they're doing dirty keto, is the convenience, the ease of it, and a lot of it I think has to do with the sentimental value. You're able to just go grab a bag of protein chips, some bread, lunch meat, and you have a lunch that you are used to. I know that is a lot of times the case for me. Okay, now for the cons of dirty keto. These foods, their ingredients are so bad. Like, they are so bad. There are some companies who have gotten better, but a lot of these ingredients will kick you out of ketosis. I have had personal experience with eating something that is keto. The net carbs on it are under my net carbs for the day, and yet I am still kicked out of ketosis. And that's because a lot of these foods have ingredients that are going to spike your blood sugar. They're going to trigger insulin. And if you're like me and you are prone to type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, you cannot lose weight in the presence of insulin. It is the #1 fat storing hormone in our body. And if we are eating keto foods that are spiking our blood sugar and kicking us out of ketosis, there's no way we are going to lose weight. I am 100% proof of that. I have been doing dirty keto for 3 months now. I have not lost a single pound. I have gained weight, and it is not the way that my body is going to lose weight. And if you are, like all of those things I said, you are also not going to lose weight. So that is a huge con of dirty keto. I do think that it has its place, but it's definitely not when you're trying to lose weight. Okay, let's start talking about the pros of clean keto. When you're eating clean keto, you are focusing on the whole, natural, nutrient-dense foods. They promote stable blood sugar, stable insulin levels, stable hormones, all of the good things that our bodies need to heal themselves after years and years and years and years of damage. It keeps the keto foods at bay, because if you are focusing on clean keto, you can't necessarily allow in a lot of those middle aisle keto substitutes. You are also more likely to achieve your weight loss and health goals if you are eating a clean, healthy keto lifestyle. For me, I also notice that my emotional eating is at its best when I am eating clean keto. It is at its worst when I'm eating dirty keto. Okay, it's not just all pros for the clean keto. There are cons, so let's talk about those. One of the cons is that it is not super convenient to eat healthy. our lifestyle and our like culture make it so difficult to eat healthy food. And honestly, a lot of times healthy food is just not even attainable. So it is not quick and convenient, which is what we are all so used to. You do have to do more cooking at home, which a lot of people, it does not bother them. That doesn't bother me. I love cooking, but that is a huge barrier for some people. As well as a lot of people feel very, very restricted when they're just eating clean keto. And I think that kind of goes back to mindset. We're thinking about it the wrong way. We're thinking about all of these foods that we can't have now. Like those are all no foods. We cannot eat them. When in reality, we should be thinking about, I'm now eating these foods to help X, Y, and Z, and I now get to figure out fun ways to make the foods that I love healthy for me and help me live a longer, healthier life. So in summary, dirty keto versus clean keto. It comes down to you and your goals and your lifestyle. For me, moving ever onward, clean keto is the way that I need to go. It is going to help me overcome my health issues. It is going to help me achieve my weight loss goals, and it's going to help me with my emotional eating. Dirty keto has done nothing for me but fuel my emotional eating and not make me lose weight whatsoever. But if your goals are focused more on maintaining weight loss and kind of getting back to that sense of normalcy, by all means, do dirty keto. Do what works best for you. Nobody can tell you what to do and what fits your lifestyle. If you want to do dirty keto because that is what helps you make healthier choices and you're in that maintenance mode, do it. You know what? Nobody can tell you what to do with your life. Absolutely nobody. Don't let me tell you what to do with your life because I'm not here for that. I am here to just honestly talk myself through dirty keto and clean keto because I've been struggling. The last 3 months, I have been just doing whatever the heck I wanted, and my progress shows that. So here we are, we're moving forward, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope this video helped you out. It really helped me out going through the pros and cons, and I really need to focus on eating clean keto and get all the dirty keto crap out of my house. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!